Oh guys, this video I'm show how to solve level averages in a binary tree. So given a binary tree, populate an array to represent the averages of all of its levels, right? Okay, delete the final code here. I'm gonna implement it from scratch. So for example, we were given this binary tree, right? So as you can see, there are total of 3 levels. So it means our expected output will be an array of 3 elements. The first number in the array is the average of first level. Second number in the array is the average of second level, right? All the values in second level. And the final number is the average of all numbers in third level of this binary tree, right? So for this kind of problem where it has to do with the level, you're probably gonna use breadth first search, right? Wanna go level by level, right? So for breadth first search, wanna use a queue, right? So this program is pretty similar with the previous one that we solved in this category, so I'm not gonna go into details. I'm just gonna start to code it out and explain it along the way. So for breadth first search, I'm gonna use a queue, right? Go level by level. I'm gonna have a queue. Initially is keep the root, right? Root node, right? Here is a root node. So I'm gonna use a loop, right? While loop, as long as queue is not empty. Length queue length is greater than 0, then run into the loop. So for each iterations, I'm gonna process one level of the binary tree, right? So before processes, because as we process one level, we're gonna add more elements to the queue, right? So before processing, we probably want to save, to remember the current size of the queue, and also is the size of the current level, right? Initially there's one element in queue, and it corresponds to one node in the first level, right? So I'm gonna start with saving the level size equal to queue of length. Okay, so I want to process exactly this amount of nodes, right? So as long as level size is greater than 0, okay, for each iteration I'm gonna decrement level side by 1, and for each iteration here I'm going to pop out one. I'm going to dequeue one node from the queue, right? Node out equal to queue dot ship, right? HDQ. So to calculate the average, I'm gonna add up the sum of all nodes in one level and divide by the number of nodes in that level. So before processing here, I'm gonna initialize sum with 0. So as we pop one node out of the current level, I'm gonna add it to the sum node out dot found the value of the current node, right? So after processing this level, I'm gonna save the average of current level, right, to, let's say, the output. This will be what we will find return output. Okay. So after processing current level, I'm gonna calculate the average and put it into the output, right? The average of current level will be sum divided by level size. Okay. So beside from after taking the node out, we want to add the children of the node out to the queue so that those nodes are available for the next level, right? So for let child of one node, we have at max two children, right? Is the node out dot left and node out dot right. Okay, it is not guaranteed that the child will be not null, so we have to check here if child is not null. Then I'm gonna enqueue, right? Queue.push this node into the queue. This node will be the node of the next level. So after we finish the current level here, we come back to the loop outside, right? Process the next level, calculate the size of the next level again, do the same logic here again until the queue length here is 0. Then we exit the loop and return output, right? That's it. Let's try to run the test. Okay, just 7 4. Okay, oops, there's something wrong here. Expected this, but there must be something wrong here. Push the child. Sum is 0. What's wrong here? It's long level size within 0. Okay. Take the node down. And we take the node down. We add the value of node to the sum, which is initialized here. Right. Process exactly this amount. Right. So at the processing or not reliable when push the new average to the output here, then finally return it. What's wrong here? Not sure. Let's debug it. Alright. Okay. Move ahead. Okay, output. Okay. Level size 1. Okay, sum is 0. Node L is probably not 1. Okay. Sum. Add up to sum. Okay. Sum is 1 now, I think. Okay. 11 child. We'll exit here because I have 1 element, but the queue now we have 2 and 3. Okay, that's correct. Here should be level size. A mistake, right? So when we, by decrementing this, after this loop, this will be 0, so probably don't want to modify it. So let's use a I 0. Okay, I is less than level size, and I plus plus. Okay, it should work now. Okay, it works. So that's it for level average of binary tree. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.